With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is ausetic growth occurs in, and the options are: first is human beings, second is frog, third is nematodes, and fourth is lizards. Now if you talk about this ausetic growth, then this is what it is: increase in the size of the cell. So this is increase in the size of the cell, and this cell growth is without the cell division. Okay, so this is what? This is without any cell division happening. Okay, so there is no cell division happens, but there is increase in the size of the cell, and it happens in both plants and animals. So this type, it happens in both plants and animals. Okay, now if you talk about this more, then in plants, ausetic growth, it is concerned in increasing the cell size. Okay, and the plant hormones which is responsible for this ausetic growth, then that is known as auxin's hormone. Okay, auxin's hormone, as we all know, it will lead to what? It will lead to apical dominance. Okay, and it will cause the increase in the size of the cell without any cell division. Okay, so this happens in the plants. Now if you talk about an animal, then it occurs in certain tissues. Okay, so in animal it occurs in certain tissues such as muscles of the higher animals. Okay, so it basically occurs in muscles of the higher animals, as well as in some organisms like nematodes. Okay, then tunicates, and it also occurs in rotifers. Okay, so in animals, it occurs in the muscles of the higher animals, and nematodes, tunicates, and rotifers animals. Now, if you look at the correct option for this question, that ausetic growth occurs in, then is it occurring in human beings? No, it is not occurring in human beings. Neither it is occurring in frog. So it is occurring in nematodes. This is the correct option. As I told you, it occurs in nematodes, tunicates, and rotifers. Okay, so the correct option will be option third, which is nematodes, and fourth is lizard, which is also incorrect option. In this, ausetic growth doesn't occur. So the only correct option here will be option third, which is nematodes. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.